nice and wonderful.
Hey, give me that. It's my turn to watch.
Hey! I had it first!
But it's my turn!
Give me it!
Just go watch on your stupid tablet.
Huh. Looks like you didn't hear me. How about nothing but it is. That's it.
I wonder what to watch.
What was that?
No headshots.
Yeah, like it's nothing.
I'm gonna get you. Listen here, Nathan. I was watching. It was my turn to watch. I don't care. It's my turn, and you're gonna get it.
Oh yeah? Like you stole it from me, and I was there first. And then you ruined the whole thing for me. So any last words, Maria?
Oh yeah? Well, my last words are take this. Haha, missed me. What?
My last ammo.
My last two. Any last words, Nathan?
Your knuckle says Cobra.
Yes! Charge! Oh, you're gonna get it! Yes! I gotta run!
Yes! Good thing I got extra ammo on my pocket.
He doesn't know I have a sniper. I'm gonna snipe him. I'm ready.
I'm ready. Let's do this, baby.
Oh yeah? Well, take this. No, I missed. I gotta reload.
Aha!
Missed me.
Now you gotta kiss me.
Come out, wherever you are.
Surprise!
Did I get you?
You got me on the foot now. Yeah, you want to face with this? It's time.
Oh no.
I'm gonna kill you, Maya. All right, Maya. You want peace?
Yeah.
Take it. That's what I'm talking about, baby.
Oh yeah? Well, take this. Oh no. Ah.
Yes.
Ugh, you got me. Haha, miss me.
What the heck?
Haha, malfunction. There's a malfunction. Ah. Yes, I got him.
Not for long now, miss.
It's a war zone out here.
Let's go!
I'm gonna snipe you.
No!
I gotta get him. He's reloading. Now's my chance. Oh yeah. The ultimate blaster.
Get ready to die.
Not for long.
Dang, I'm out of ammo.
I got him. Ha ha ha.
Please don't shoot me.
Oh yeah? Those golden blaster. Are you sure you want to do this?
No.
The golden blaster. I'm gonna do it.
No! Ha! That did nothing!
That did nothing?
Yeah, like it's not supposed to be your job to steal the controller.
Oh, I'm gonna get the golden blaster! Ah! Charge! Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Away!
Okay, go back away.
Is this what you're looking for?
Yes!
Then come and get it, Pinky.
I gotta run! I gotta go.
Yeah. Nothing stops my way now. Waiting for Maya. Wait for Maya. Not yet. Maya would think that she would do that. It's time, Maya. You'll get your revenge.
What did you say?
You'll get your revenge.
Can I come down now? I surrender.
Yes.
Don't shoot me. Okay, I'm coming down. Don't hit me with the golden blaster.
I know. You're not.
I won't. I promise.
No! Ah, there's one thing you forgot. There's nothing but. Whoa! Ah! Ah! Ow! That wasn't supposed to happen.
You're so silly, Nathan.
Ah!
Ah! Wait! How about let's just watch something together?
Yeah. Yeah, great idea.
Let's just watch. Come on, let's just watch.
Yeah, come on.
Okay.
Where's the controller?
You lost it?
No, I didn't.
Where did... I'm gonna get you!
Ah!
Ah!
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Any last words?
Ah! Nothing but yourself. Ah! Ah! Ah!
I'm gonna hit you! Ah!
Hey guys, if you enjoyed that video, make sure to subscribe.
And like the video if you liked it. And also be sure to watch our other videos like kidnapping Masha.
And also you can watch the train race from I forgot.
What?
From our YouTube video.
Yeah.
And don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to get Nerf guns, you can also buy on Amazon or just get on Christmas or birthdays.
Yep, because Nerf guns are the best and they're good for bonding. Because we had so much fun making this video. And if you liked it, then be sure to like it. Because if we hit 15 likes, then we're gonna make another one, or we'll just make one.
Yeah. And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.